Hey, how you doing? Hello, blessed people. I hope you all are doing well. Say hi to Touch, y'all. I gave her a little camera time so y'all can see my baby. That's my baby, y'all. My husband made these, and I didn't really like them. I think they look like they tasted. Shh, don't tell him, cause he's usually a great cook. I don't know what happened that day. They was kind of mushy inside. Um, I'm giving y'all a little overview of my kitchen here. As you can see, it is a hot mess. I did not post in the last 2 weeks. For those of you who are a part of the family, you know that already. The first week was very, very busy. And then the second week, my husband took ill. And then I took ill after him with that nasty C-19 word. And I am just getting back on my feet. But in the meantime, look at that tea that he just left overnight on the stove. I'm telling y'all, I got to get things back to the way I like it. And I don't know what he was going for there. But I'm in this kitchen. My energy is back up. Let's get started. Y'all see my chicken noodle soup? I will say he took very good care of me as I did him. First things first is this here cabinet, guys. They threw these dishes in there any kind of way, okay? Now, I can't really complain because they did wash dishes several times throughout the week, just not right now. And I have short people problems, so I do not prefer to use the step stool. I'm not an extreme person that when it comes to organization. However, I do like things a certain kind of way, and I need to reestablish some type of order in here. Plus, we don't have that much cabinet space, so I have to, do the best that I can to make this functional. I'm taking this time, y'all, to publicly thank God Almighty for good health, okay? You do not know how much of a blessing it is until you don't feel well. I always clean my sink prior to washing my dishes, so that's what you guys see me doing. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the music.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah. Listen to the water, listen how it flows. You really thought of everything. I wonder how much I miss getting caught up in things you never meant me to. All that this world could offer will never satisfy me like just being with your father. Oh, wow. It's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah. What was it like? The moment that you spoke and everything around you changed and things came to life. Was it beautiful when you saw everything you made? And it's crazy to think in the midst of it all, you already knew my name. And the more that I seek you, the more I'm in awe. I can't help but feel this way. It's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season.
Listen, family, I grabbed those dispensers from my favorite cheap store, the Dollar Tree. And we love them, okay? When we want to grab some salt, pepper, or some sugar real quick, listen, they come in handy.
Hey, Lord, I lift my hands. I give all the praise to you. Everything I am, you gave me the strength to do. Hey, Lord, I lift my hands. Lord, I lift my hands. I give all the praise to you. This is my response for making me brand new. Hey, Lord, I can feel your presence, putting all your peace in me. Lord, I can feel revival, breaking all the captives free. And though it sounds crazy, man, I used to hate me, till I met somebody who told me how he made me, how he died to save me. And if you want the same thing, all you gotta do is just say, Lord, I lift my hands. I give all the praise to you. Yeah, yeah. Everything I am, everything I am, you gave me the strength to do. Yeah, you do. Lord, I lift my hands. Lord, I lift my hands. I give all the praise to you. This is my response for making me brand new. And I can't help it, I'm just being real. I just walk up to the mic and tell y'all how I feel. Y'all think I'm religious, I'm just trying to eat a meal. But I don't live on bread alone, you hear it in my zeal. Down bad, but you got me better. G-O-D, that's the best 3 letters. Where you got me moving, I'ma need Rosetta. Keep your head up. Hey, Lord, I lift my hands. I give all the praise to you. Everything I am, you gave me the strength to do. Lord, I lift my hands. I give all the praise to you. This is my response. Oh, this is my response. Oh, this is my response for making me brand new. Friend I have in you. You tore the veil to let me through. All of my stains have been made new, all just because you wanted to. Open the gates and flood this room. From you, I feel the colors start to bloom. Tell me to leave and I'll refuse.
I know it's late in the video, but please allow me to introduce myself to my first time viewers. My name is Deshawn, and I do videos on home decor, spiritual inspiration, as well as cleaning motivation. If you are enjoying this video and that is content you are interested in, please do subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and leave me a comment to let me know that you are here. I want to say thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. There are many. I truly appreciate you. And to my existing distinctive family, I love y'all forever and a whole lot.
Oh, yeah, yeah. ever wondered what would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. Cause I love some music, but I just went through it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side. And it's okay for you. Take a day or two. Get your mind together. Sing it with me. Say, all to Jesus I surrender. All to thee I freely give. I will ever.
Don't forget to clean under your hood. Mine's has spaghetti sauce splattered up top because my husband, he did that. But I always make sure I get under there. That's how it stays preserved over time. I can't stand when I see people's ranges and under their top just full of grease and just mess because they just don't clean it out. So if that's you, I hope this is motivation for you to make sure you get up underneath there because that's important.
I'm in awe. Oh my God, you amaze me. You're the bomb. And I just be setting the stage, so let me get out the way. Cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes. And I just be stuck in a daze. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing. Then you question me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it. And I can't commit my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game to trying to selling tickets. And if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing. And your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you hearing? Say all to Jesus I surrender. All to thee I freely give. I will ever love and trust him in his presence daily live. I surrender.
So guys, my husband has a tendency of keeping brown bags in this corner over here, which I can't stand. He did that because I was immobile, right? Not coming downstairs. I can't do brown bags. I feel like they draw cockroaches and I don't do cockroaches. If you have cockroaches, no disrespect to you. I mean, that's just, something from my past that it traumatizes me. So I just don't tolerate them in my house at all. And I just remember wallpaper, certain types of wallpaper in brown bags, drawing them. And so I really don't like them in my home. And the moment, hopefully I never see one, but if I do, no more brown bags. Guess who shampooed the carpet and did not clean the carpet cleaner but left it dirty in the kitchen for yours truly, you know who, to clean up? I can't say that I blame him. It's a mess, but gee whiz, okay? Well, guys, we've come to the conclusion of today's video. Thanks again for watching. If you made it to the end, please be sure to leave me a heart in the comment section. Also, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. Until next time, have a blessed and prosperous week. Ciao.